In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML to Google Sites for 2025. This comprehensive tutorial is designed to make the process straightforward and ensure you can seamlessly embed your custom HTML into your Google site. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's homepage, which is a fantastic tool for designing all sorts of web components, including the HTML pieces we'll be working with today. Once you've arrived on the Canva homepage, simply type website into the search bar. This will enable you to browse a wide array of website templates that Canva offers. Next, it's time to select a template. Look through the free templates presented to you and choose one that best aligns with your website's needs or the purpose you have in mind. After picking a template that catches your eye, go ahead and click on Customize this template. This action will allow you to make any necessary tweaks or modifications, ensuring the template fits perfectly into your vision. Feel free to edit the template as much as you want. This is a great opportunity to add your own text, images, and any specific design elements that reflect your brand or project goals. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, find and click the Share button located on Canva's interface. Upon clicking Share, you'll notice a variety of sharing options. Click on See All to access additional options, and then locate and select the Embed option. A new window should open up. Here you'll click on Embed again. This is where you get access to the HTML code that represents your design. Now you need to copy the HTML embed code provided. Just click Copy, and your code is ready to be integrated into your Google site. With your HTML code in hand, navigate to your Google site. If you're new to Google Sites, you'll need to sign in with your Google account and create a new site or open an existing one that you want to edit. Once you're on the Google Sites editor, find and click on the Embed option, often located in the toolbar. In the dialog that appears, make sure to select Embed Code. This step prepares Google Sites to accept the HTML code you've just copied. Next, paste the HTML code into the space provided. Double check to make sure everything looks correct and then click Next to proceed. Finally, you'll click Insert. This step places the HTML content directly onto your Google site. And that's it! You've successfully added custom HTML to your Google site. This can be a powerful way to integrate interactive elements, tailor the layout, or enhance the functionality of your website. By following these straightforward steps, you can harness the power of HTML within Google Sites and create a more dynamic, customized online presence. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.